Hi, my name is Ockert. In our first video about puppets, we looked at how puppets can be used in role play to make it easier for students not just to repeat after us. In this video, we will look at some other examples of how puppets can be used in class. Let us look at some different types of puppets which can be used in class. Hand puppets either can be homemade or store-bought. There is some good sites online that sells these kind of hand puppets. Dolls. This I mentioned in the last video that dolls can also be used instead of hand puppets. Here is my cute cat, Sophia. Electronics masks. This can be used with a virtual camera program. There will be a video on this specific topic, so I'm not going to talk about it much in this video. Here is an example of an electronic mask. Stringed puppets. This will require some skill and a learning curve, but can really bring a class to life if done well. For the purpose of this video, I will be using the word puppet, but keep in mind that it includes all of the above examples. Next, I want to talk about and give some examples about other uses of puppets in class. Class warm-up. I use puppets in my class to warm up the class. I will show you my opening routine for a student that I see for the first time.
What animal do you want to see? You want to see a dog? Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3.
2, 3.
Dog.
No.
Is it a dog?
No.
Is it a banana?
This is
Oh, sorry. Is it Pikachu?
Pikachu. This is a Pikachu.
Okay, let me see. Maybe I can get a dog on the second try. 1, 2, 3. Dog.
No. This is a pig.
What? I don't want to be a pig. Go away, pig. Maybe this is the dog?
Yes.
Reading dialogues. Puppets are great for giving an example to the student how the dialogue should be. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. It's time for dinner. Puppets are also good getting a student to respond that would not otherwise respond, or just repeat what you say to them. Here is an excellent example of me doing this in class, and just look at how the student starts responding to me towards the end of the video.
Good job. Do you want a peach?
Do you want a peach?
No, thank you. Do you want a peach?
Do you want a peach?
So my cat. So let's say, hello, Sophia. Meow, meow, meow. Hello, Yuki. And then we have, say, hello, Uni.
Hi.
Okay. So watch here. Meow, meow, meow. Do you? So what? Meow, meow, meow. Do you want an omelette? Yes, please. So, yes, please. And Uni asks Sophia, do you want some fish? Yes, please. Meow, meow, meow. Then yours. Boink. Yuki, do you want a pear?
Um. Yes. Yes.
Wow, okay. Boink. There you go, Yuki.
There you go.
Oh, Yuki, do you want a chicken?
No, thank you.
Okay. Do you want
Yes.
some chocolate?
Yes.
There you go. Nom, nom, nom. Very good. Do you want a cookie?
Yes.
There you go. Boink. Well done, Yuki. Yay. Meow, 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 meow.
Making a class more interesting. Make sure though you respond to your students' response to the puppets. Remember, most children play with puppets and use their imagination. Use this to your advantage to get the student to practice and use more target language. Puppets can be used to help students understand more complex or abstract vocabulary. Let's look at a short example. Students often find prepositions challenging to learn. Here is an example of how you can use puppets to teach prepositions. Okay, first one. Over. Over. Next. Under. Under. Puppets are a wonderful way with which you can enrich your class. Your creativity with puppets is your only limit in how you use them. You will be thankful for using puppets in your class by both having happier students and getting more regular students. Also, you might be getting better ratings. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them. I will answer any questions about puppets you might have. Now go and have some fun with puppets in your class. Till next time, bye!